everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make an eyelash lei. For your materials, you want eyelash yarn, 4-foot long ribbon, scissors, kukui nuts, a straw, and tape. Let's get started. You want to take your straw and your yarn, and you just put your yarn through the straw. And so in this video, I might use the kukui nuts. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I'll forget about it, but I'll do it. You kind of want to put some more, and then you just want to flip it. And then you want like this. And then you want to grab the tape. And then just tape it. And now the yarn would stay. Okay, so once you have that, set that aside. Okay, I suggest you tie it 2 times, but I feel like 3 times is the best because then you can make sure it stays on. So once you have that tied on, you just want to you want to pull it down to here, but make sure that you do not pull it down all the way, because if you do, then you messed up and then you would have to untie it and then do it again. Yeah, so I'm just gonna tie it here a 3rd time because I don't feel safe. Okay, there. And then you just want to go like this, and you just want to pull it up like that. But make sure you don't pull it off, because then it would ruin it. You just want to keep going and going. Oh, I wanted to show you guys a fact about the leis in person. So the leis originally from Hawaii. Were originally from, well, actually, so the Tahitian people, they were voyagers and they brought leis to Hawaii, and then the Hawaiian people started making leis with their own flowers and real animal bone and the leg bones, the teeth, and then not only that, they use feathers. You can literally make anything out of a lei. It's said that you should not give a lei to somebody by putting it over their head. That's disrespectful. The way you should give it to them is by go like this, and then they take it from you and put it on themselves. It's like you have to present it to them. Yeah. So yeah, once you get this all like this, it will be all fluffy over here because you're pulling all those stuff, all the eyelash. Well, I'm gonna say tassels. Yeah, I'm gonna say tassels. And another thing about the lei is at graduations, if you see somebody with a whole bunch of stuff, it's rare to see someone with leis and they can't see because they got so much leis on they can't even see. Yeah, just like my cousin, we went to a graduation because it is graduation season. Speaking of graduation, leis do not have to be worn for special occasions. They can be worn anytime. Okay, I'm gonna stop right here. And so once you have it, you just pull it down this way. And then you just restart that process over and over again. Yeah. So guys, I want to give you guys a heads up. I changed my name to Experiment 626. So, yeah, that was okay, I guess. I don't know if I'm going to keep that for long because I don't feel like that's my name. Even though I am a Stitch fan, I just can't do it. So yeah. You guys comment down below what I should change my name to. So yeah, these leis, if you make it small enough, you could put it on your hat for like decoration. I would say you decorate yourself with leis because of all the fanciness with like, I feel like putting earrings on is decorating myself. So yeah. I don't really wear earrings a lot. So yeah. When you run out of, oh shoot. Oh yeah. So I forgot to tell you guys. So you gotta take the end of your yarn and tie it so that you do not, so that it doesn't slide off and you're just like, oh no, because all the stuff just slid off. So I am going to put, so you just keep going. Like that and that. And you want to get it all the way to the top. Just pull. So you're actually going to keep going. Subscribe for more. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my videos. I really enjoy my videos. Because if you didn't, then that would be disappointing for me. I don't know. So yeah, I'm just going to keep sliding this down. I'm not going to slide it all the way down because if you do, then that's just bad. You got to leave part of there. So yeah. I might stay too silent. I feel like this is faster and too strolly because you just gotta go whoop, 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 like the. Hold on, never mind. I'm not gonna tell you guys. It's gonna spoil the next video. So yeah, you guys will see in the next video me and my mom doing this, but a different one, the two-straw lady. I think we're still using the eyelash yarn. Eyelash yarn is really, really fluffy when you put it together. Sorry if I get it out of the video, guys. I have to like marker where I need to stay in a box. Yeah. That'd be funny. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Okay, so I'm gonna stop right here and I'll be right back to show you guys how to end it. Okay guys, so I have this much yarn left. So I'm going to show you guys. First, you want to get rid of some of this yarn. And so you don't have this. You don't have this much left. And then you just want to tie it. Yeah. You want to tie it so that all so that if you put it all together, then all the yarn won't start falling off, because if it do, then there's no point in making it if it's all just gonna get ripped off. So yeah, I would tie it double time just so that it's secured. And yeah, make sure it's all together. And yeah, so please subscribe, you guys, and make sure to leave a like. Leave down comment in the comment section down below because I'm gonna start. I think I might start giving shout outs to people. Thank them for subscribing, for commenting, giving good comments, and yeah, thank you. Thank you for watching. So you just want to tie that into a knot, and then you just want to slide it down all the way off onto the yarn, and then you hold it here, and you let the tape. You take off the tape from the yarn, and the yarn's gonna want to come out, so you just replace it from the straw. Put the straw away for once, and you just want to go up here. You want to tie a knot. Hold on. Okay, so you want to have this. So once you slid it off, you want to take your kukuri knot, and you just want to put it through. Make sure it's all the way through. So once you have it through, you want to, so you're gonna have it through, and you want to take it again, and you're gonna go through it again, so that it would stay on like that. There. Ta-da! You just want to pull it down all the way like to this, and you want to just, so you don't want to make a knot, because, well, not here, but you will grab your other side and do the same. Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys liked it, and make sure you guys subscribe. So thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below how well, if you did yours. I hope yours is as good as mine. I hope you liked this video. And thank you. Bye.